Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to discuss how one can import data into the sales of a fruits window. This is something that I have discussed previously, but there are some new options in the fruits version 2.1.1. So let me illustrate how this works. I have here a fruits file that I will use to demonstrate how you can do this. So let's take, for example, the window for consumer data. We only have one consumer, but I will expand this to 3. So I just write here 3 and then press enter. And previously what I had shown was that you could open a data file, for example, from a data sheet or from a text file like this one, and one would be able to simply copy, for example, through Control-C, and then press paste to import the data into the cells of the fruits file. However, I have been made aware that in other operating systems, namely in Mac, sometimes this doesn't work. So now, in addition to this option of pasting data, we also have a new option which is load data. So I'll change back from 3 consumers to 1, pressing enter, and then I'll go back to 3, and I will press here load data, and I have here the file open, and the cells are filled in exactly the same way as before. Now, the file has to have an extension which can be either CSV or TXT. And in terms of the data separation, this has to be separated either by tab, space, comma, or semicolon. For example, I have the same data here separated through a comma. Okay. So I'm going to again change this into 1 consumer and then back to 3, and I'm going to load this data2 file. Data open, and as you can see, it fills in exactly in the same way. So just to recap, you need to have a TXT or a CSV file, and your data has to be distributed in the same way as it will appear in the cells of the fruits window. And in terms of the separator, it has to be either tab, space, comma, or semicolon. And that's it.